In this example, we are going to write this number in expanded form. The number is 630,806,057. And basically, expanded form is a concept that allows you to see the structure and value of a number by writing it as the sum of its parts that is based on a place value. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at all the values that are non-zero. So we're going to look at 6, 3, 8, 6, 5, and 7. And we're going to look at their place value. This is in the hundreds of millions. I'm going to pull this down here. Here's my 6. And however many spaces left I have to the right of it, I'm going to count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places to the right of the 6, which means I'm going to have 8 zeros here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to look at the next non-zero digit. That's the 3. That's in the tens of millions. I'm going to bring the 3 down. And if you notice, I have 7 places to the left of 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means I'm going to bring the 3 down and I'm going to have 7 zeros out this way. Now I'm going to look at the 8, bring that down. I have 5 digits to the right of 8, which means I'm going to have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next non-zero digit is the 6, and I have 3 digits to the right of that, so I'm going to have a 6 with 3 zeros. Then I have a 5 with 1 digit to the right, and then my final one is in the ones column, and that doesn't have any digits to the right, so I just carry that down. Now, when we write this in expanded form, basically we're breaking it down into the sum of its parts based on place value. But to check it, when we add it all up, we should still get the same value. So when I add all of these up, I get 7. When I add all of these up, I get 5. When I add all of these up, I get 0. When I add all of these up, I get 6. This column gives me 0. This column gives me 8. This column gives me 0, this column gives me 3, and then the last one gives me 6. So we verified that when we write this in expanded form, it's going to all add up to the original number. We're just writing it in a different way. So I'm going to write it in expanded form by writing all of these numbers out. So I'm going to have 600 million plus 30 million plus 800,000 plus 6,000 plus 50 plus 7. So this is going to be expanded form when I add up all of these numbers here.